It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Knowledge rules. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Juice.
Bugatti! Good morning. Good morning, Curvies. Shout out to PSG. Good morning, Curvies. Shout out to PSG. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Oh, Bugatti! How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Lions! Lions, Lions, Lions. Let's go. Busalo. Brother. I'm a mushroom. I know, dude. Everybody who wants that 67.5 point of control. 68. 70. We're just hoping for 70 at this point, right? 70. We're just hoping for 70 at this point, right? Oh, you're hearing me. Are you got echo? I'm sorry. Mr. Larry's Chaloob. Housty. Hit him with the goose. He goosing. Hey, exclamation dashboard for the talent show viewing party this afternoon. Gonna be juice. We got big BTCC bonuses live. Use the link in the dashboard. Sign up. Exclamation giveaway if you don't know what time it is. Hey, these giveaways are coming. I mean, they're already starting to hit with the talent show. If I'm not mistaken, I think some people won some money the other day, didn't they? They definitely got their talent show prizes, and that was a good, I mean, those songs were good. 69,300, pixel perfect, Coke Zero. Yeah, 68, 67.5. I'm kind of eyeing that, but we've been talking about that high time frame since last November, right? Yeah. Got some, a lot of things got cleaned up in the past couple days, but dudes, sorry, S&P. Do you understand this? It's 2% from all-time highs. Let's just hope that the future of finance can give us a little more faith and at least show a higher high, even locally, for goodness sakes. Let's go, Mark. It's going to zero, Busalo. I mean, sure does look like it, doesn't it? Bidding, yeah. We got like, if you could see my orders, I have $5 orders laddered to zero, Busalo. Yeah, crypto's down 1,000K%. Yeah. 1,000K. It's 1,000,000%, dog. Let's go, Rescue Q. Thank you for the resub. Hey, for weed. I saw you just got the resub too. Shout outs to you, brother. How you doing, Coke Zero? You juicing? I know you're still holding your shorts. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, this is simple, just like very bearish structure. Yeah, you can draw that one, you can draw that one. It was resistance and maintains resistance. We still have, that was a gap that got filled, but we still have the value areas as well. And this is ETH. Yeah, market open. Hey, how about those unemployment numbers? AMD earnings did not save the market. Strange, huh? Yeah, they aren't NVIDIA. Buying some SPY here. Yeah. I mean, how far of a pullback is this? This is like 50% pullback, isn't it? It's close to it. 40%? That just means that we have what, 55% to go. I'm really being very, very sarcastic with that. I sure as hell hope not. ETH's holding pretty well. Man, they had some orders stacked, absorbing some of that. Yeah, things might change after today, though. Yeah, even the weekly options plays sometimes can kind of part price a little bit more. People have their positions to preserve. Did my music shut off? Come on now. Quit playing with me. It's going to 1K. ETH is? I mean, look, if Bitcoin goes to 60 maybe. Like what's your level? I mean 52? Then ETH, I can see it testing those bad lows at those weak lows at 1380. Yeah, it's not too good down there around like 1K either. Clearly not the most wait, what was I even doing? Why was I going to look at a higher time frame? Wasn't that interesting that we did that like right at the end last time? It seems like we get the alpha TA instead of at the very beginning of streams, right at the end. Does anybody else notice that? Okay, before we go, like, just like, gotta get this in. Pixel bounce, 2021, ATH, yeah. Math is the math. The Bugatti is the Bugatti. That was the point of control. 65, 60. That was like a low that was really interesting. And back then, up until this whole accumulation, right before the pump, 65 was the like really the main pivot of the range. So we like the volume here. You see that there's like a secondary node right down at like 63 as well, even though it was a pivot right there. And that's where we made the higher high and how price broke out back then in the first place. Yeah, if you can't see what's going on, like I'll give you a clean chart. How about that one, that trend line? Like, fuck's sake. Why were we looking at Zcash? Yeah, we said 200, 190 a while ago. Maybe. Yeah, Dino Coin's pumping is not exactly the most bullish market signal. That's just historical pattern recognition. Bitcoin. Let me see Bitcoin. We are all lions. All-time lows? Yeah, no shit, dude. ETH ain't going to 1K? Okay, track. We don't know. Where do you think Bitcoin's gonna form a bottom? We still haven't even had a big lick cascade. Like that hit like a while back. Yeah, that was structured through here. Oh my goodness. I've had this box. Look at that fucking pixel fucking. Yeah, you closed today. I think today's close is kind of important. I think tomorrow's close for CME is going to be pretty important as well. Yeah, but still, like, this is the very beginning of the month. They could turn this monthly candle into something just like Bugatti. Even though the higher time frame is not showing something that's looking Bugatti yet. It's kind of looking like this, isn't it? Ugh. Ugh. Man, maybe we get like a little bit of like a fade up here. But that's your range. We don't want to accept back inside. Let's go, Gypsy. Good morning, Gypsy. Good morning, Colin Noob. E-Sox, let's go. El Coyo, thank you for the resub. Shouts to you. 46. I think 48K has a real interesting ring to it, but there's a much higher volume node around 42 to 43. It's level by level though, like we're just now reaching the next range. We got to get through like a shitload of volume. Oh. That's the one thing about this template. Oh my god, we have strong support at 0. You see that? Far more volume. And we spent more time up in the 90 to 110K range. And it's natural though. Price was cheaper. More volume transacts. What's going on, Medi? Yeah, 69 for the lulz. It's a lot more structurally sound for that. But even just like rounding out down here somehow. It's just the first thing that we need to do is start making higher highs on the lower time frame. And then bring that over to mid time frame. And get back inside our previous range. Yeah, 74K, 75 is something that needs to get reclaimed, like, before we can even start thinking about 80s. 40 to 44K is your final target. What is that gonna subtract? I mean, possibly even down to 30. Sold to 30 is really happening. I don't know, dude. I can see it happening. 30 is a pretty interesting level. They might hold 50. I mean, we can come throw out all these bearish numbers. I'm not just throwing them off at the top of my head because they're like kind of round numbers. They're historical numbers of significance for volume and monthly, weekly, and previous yearly levels and previous levels of significance. But you know, we can't get ahead of ourselves. Just as easily, price can rebound. Yeah, so we're gonna just play it level by level and play the range. Play the range. I mean, any of you. What are you guys using Sol for? What are you using ETH for? Honestly. Hype is actually looking pretty good. Hype broke out and is holding, or it was holding last I saw. That's pretty interesting. Kachoya lost 80, or lost 90. That's the future of finance right there. Yeah, Baratina. Yeah, but just because it's a legacy coin, just because it has a high cap doesn't mean that it's like, it can't lose levels. I mean, Bitcoin is showing that very clearly, while S&P is, you know, 2% from its all-time highs. Bitcoin has pulled back 40% from its, if not more. Where's Biddy? Why did I even have all these fucking lines on here? 45%. Sheesh. Larry Fink decided. Yeah, how's Sailor's average entry looking? Hey, I do not want to be on the talking side of the phone in Strategy's earnings call today. It's okay, we're buying more. Yeah, but Hype already had its pullback. It like front run all this. Yeah, some of those exchange tokens, and it had strength previously. It showed strength previously in the earlier stages of the market, like the bull market. Yeah. No, it was like 3,000 BTC, or it was like some fucked up, like, insane amount. It's like worth like $1 billion or some shit nowadays. Trekalicious. It's crazy. That story is really funny. Baratina, you're all good. The house to all finance. I mean, they're onto something. Hey, shout outs to the Discord and somebody else who's onto something. I'm very, very interested to see and hear more from KIMBA. Aren't you guys? Yeah, exclamation hype. Check them out. Twitch timing? What's going on with Twitch timing, Zamil? With like the music? Tom Lee. Oh, but you just said. Right, Busalo? Hey, did we have, cause you got a Pirates badge. Did we have the spam like sound bites and stuff when you first joined? Open interest increasing. Hey, shout out to the Wise Lions, shout out to the NFT holders, the VIPs. Kimba's been dropping some Gucci levels, alpha plans in the Wise Lions. He's also been active in the BTC talk in Discord, Discord. There is a lot of liquidity at 1800 on ETH. Yeah, they're really parking things around 2K right now. I can imagine that maybe an options play tonight has a little bit to do with that. You see that on Thursdays pretty frequently, especially when there's some big price moves, and you get some big correlation. 2 billion's getting liquidated. Yeah, that might have something to do with it. That's, oh, for fuck's sake, man. That's pretty intense. But yeah, they had like 60K ETH parked under price like an hour ago, 2 hours ago, in buy orders. So I mean, you know, it was like 6 ETH 1000x, or it's 100,000, like I don't know, 10,000x. There we go. The math is mathing now. We love Vibe. Let's go, Santers. Cook's here. Are you in anything else? Who juicing? I know PSG is. Damon, how we doing? Cook Zero's in profit. These lows are just atrocious. We just actually need to change structure. Like in your 5-minute structure we did, really what that's good for, to me, is something to look for a pullback, possibly. Yeah, I have not a whole lot of faith in this, but it is value. At least TPO. Yeah. And we identified this structural resistance immediately above in this little consolidation with these lows here. Yeah, but VWAP is a good target. And even if we are able to kind of grind past the point of control in VWAP, you know, that wasn't really much of a retest right here. So, kind of coming up somewhere in this range. Possibly that's somewhere that you get like a pullback if it's able to change structure. Oh, really? Okay, thank you. Mrs. Mandalo is saying my music is blasting. You guys can't hear me? Goddamn Windows updates. She right. What was I listening to? Oh, it must have been the talent show. Shouts Mrs. Mandalay. Y'all got to tell me these things. It sounded okay when I was like warming up this morning. Now the table full and the fam all ate. Had to let the losses teach me how to win. Now the juice so sweet, yeah. Hey, welcome, Crypto Guru. You're in the right place. Exclamation Discord. And exclamation Coinwise. Yeah, even if you just start off with not a paid membership, we use Coinwise tools and or advocate Coinwise education. They have a lot of really helpful things for beginners, and quite a bit of free content also. So just to kind of get your footing and begin to learn about some of the things you see on stream. We got lots of streams, exclamation dashboard. For the stream schedule. Yeah, this is an amazing community, brother. And we have a free Discord. Yeah, so just see those links that one of the real ones in the community dropped in here. Yeah, Calling Noob is a VIP legend. Oh my goodness. Shoutouts to Crypto Craze. See, I mean, this is the type of place that you have just found your way to. Yeah, so welcome. Yeah, making it rain. Shoutouts Crypto Craze. But yeah, we're all here working hard. I started at the same place that you did. We all did. Everybody starts somewhere. And it's the ones that want to put the work in and learn and improve, not just fill a gambling itch, that truly find success. Yeah, the Discord's an amazing place. There's lots of education in there as well. And, you know, many very good traders in there. Very supportive place. You know, ask questions. You know, just be cool. Everybody is cool back. It's a super nice place to be a part of. Yeah, I started off just like you, became part of the community, and now look at me. All right, we got 2 minutes for market open. For real, I'm not kidding. I started off as a viewer on KIMBA stream, and I now am one of the co-streamers. Yeah, shoutouts to America. Land of opportunity. Let's go into a lion. Let's go maybe a band-aid, 30 months. Let's go. Hey, is that a new sub badge? Good morning, brother. How are you doing? Yeah, stay safe today. You take that pixel along with Coke Zero? I am not Kimba. I'm Mandalo, brother. Yeah, Crypto Guru. You got pneumonia? Is that how sick your long is? Or how sick your shorts are? Or you actually have pneumonia? I sound like I do, don't I? I'm just getting over something. Oh my goodness, really, brother? Holy God. Did you have to go to the hospital, dude? 1,000%. I mean, that is a pixel Bugatti short. Like, that was like when we were first like, you need to kind of be starting to worry about this possibly being a pullback. When we lost 118, right? And that retest. Oof. Oh, that gives me chills, dude. I love it. Yeah, and you could take longs with you're hedged. You got better hedges than fucking Bezos. You guys know that story. Brother, I hope that you feel better soon. Jeez. That's rough. Do you think it was from the weather? I saw that it was brutal down there. Ding, 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 ding. Shoutouts Curvies. Yep, market open. Let's go check our tart buys. Hey, but Crypto Guru, please feel free to ask questions anytime in the chat. We're all about learning, improving, hard work. Oh, Kachoya. Is this third drive?
KIMBA gang, pull the trigger. Money in the air, chart spinning, racks flipping, see us everywhere.
Starting to lose levels. I mean, we were talking about this quite a bit. I don't like these lows down here. You remember how they saved them? And that was an ETH.
Liquidity flowing. We stacking up them racks, 6 figures turning 7.
Yeah, maybe they get this gap. And there is some Bugamas down there. Yeah, let's let. Oh my goodness, Coke Zero. Oh, doing it again. He juicing. Hey, love you, Coke Zero. Get your Hermes umbrellas out. I got my Walmart umbrella out. He's making it rain. Thank your man, Coke Zero. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, I love you, maybe Band-Aid. Coke Zero loves you. PSG loves you. We love PSG. Shoutouts Damon. Shoutouts Lux Slayer. Hey, huge shoutouts to Coke Zero. Gypsy, Baratina, and you are homies, huh? You guys live in the same area, don't you? I think I remember you guys talking about that. Let's go, Cloudy. How you doing, Cloudy? Nono Diabito, Uranium, Mystery Man, let's go. Hey, congratulations to all those recipients of those gift subs. Let's go, Gordito Shortero. He's got a fatty short going on. Ninja, let's go. You did? For some Latuche or just some vibes? Maybe some drinks and some, is it senoritas down there too? He's a fucking millionaire. Let's go. Hey, let's go, Jedi's Kirk. Jedi's Kirk, sorry I missed you over there on YouTube. I was getting around to it and then I got all excited about something. How you doing, brother? Doing well? You juicing? Let's go, Delion. Delion and Michael P. Let's go, Paulo Fernandez. Kimba, he is in and out. He's in the Discord quite a bit. He's got live trading tomorrow? No, ripping. No, just stream. We got like 500 songs that are on different rotations. Different streams will run different playlists, but not yet. Hey, shoutouts to Slime's Records. There's going to be some great songs on this afternoon, though. Some different ones. Yeah, exclamation dashboard. Next week, he said. Did he change it? Yeah, I was like so bogged down in IRL work yesterday that I was unable to like get the scoop on what Kimba was doing. I like tried to log in and I saw that he wasn't on at 12:30. Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, looking forward to it. Mark my calendar. Let's go, V8. V1 Ocho. Hey, shoutouts to ESPN the Ocho. Gapping down on ES. Dip the tip. Dip the tip. I mean, you can ignore the levels that I have drawn on here. That's a pretty sizable gap down, once again, on CME Bitcoin futures. Who is our new lion? Who's our new lion that just got a sub? Crypto Guru. Yeah, just absorb. You come up with any questions. We like to monitor traditional markets, S&P especially. It's the highest volume traded, even though kind of a lot of people look to NASDAQ for the tech side of things and its correlation with digital assets. S&P is kind of like the market mover. That's how we look at it. And so we chart that. We chart Bitcoin CME futures, where the true traditional finance risk into digital assets kind of begins. It's a very high volume transacted here. And then we try to tie that correlation over with things like spot Bitcoin, perpetuals, so it's like futures, and other cryptos, yeah, altcoins and stuff. I don't know what your like knowledge base is, but yeah, feel free to ask. My knowledge base is limited myself. I don't know how I got here. A lot of hours, dudes. A lot of hours. Let's go exclamation dashboard Bubba. I'm from the US South, and Bubba is like not an uncommon name. Shoutouts to the Southern Lions. Let's go Uncle Scratcha. Let's go Dika, how you doing? Crypto, yeah, I'm shouting you out, dude. Yeah, we got people in here, but the gap means that it's where the market closed yesterday, and things have changed in the past, how many hours? 16 hours since the market closed at 4 p.m. However many hours that was, 18 hours, whatever. Things have changed a little bit, and so when price opened back up, it was not the same. Yeah, so traditional markets run in like standard hours, just like a store would. You know, like stores not all are open 24 hours a day. And then they can run futures and some other exchanges that ultimately, when markets open back up, it can have an effect on where the price will open back up. Yeah, you ever see like at a store or something, and like, I don't know, in US you get this every once in a while with like fruit or something where there's a supply shortage, and maybe where you are, where do you live, Crypto Guru? But you know, you have like some news come out, and then like the price of bananas like triples or something. Netherlands? Okay. So I'm sure you've seen something like that before. Shouts to the Netherlands Lions. Yeah, we got a good handful of them. One of our OGs, he's one of the developers of the CoinWise indicators that you see on screen. He's from Netherlands. Yeah, sorry, I'm trying not to dox you, bro. It depends. It depends. It's a little bit more complicated than that, but the way the price reacts when it starts to trade into the gap kind of gives you clues on whether it may trade through the entire thing, and if it will pull back, if it will continue. We're not predicting the future, we just go on probabilities, and a lot of it goes with experience and observing it many times. Yeah, sometimes it will trade up towards the gap or into the gap and then just fall right back out and not close the entire thing right away. Yeah, it's S&P, help me, right? All the Bitcoin longers, this is our anthem right now. Price is attempting it. Yeah, I lost my train of thought. Like you remember the other day I was like fully out of it. I'm still trying to get my footing back. I didn't get much sleep last night either. But yeah, I may just like completely reject from that, and price will continue further away. Yeah, it's an imbalance that can form, and Yeah, I don't think that was the best explanation, but it may be something that you're interested in. Just kind of like watch and see what happens with the gap today, and see if it's something that you want to put on the top of your list, or maybe something for a little bit later to spend some more time learning about. Yeah, I know that our Discord has a lot of information on it. CoinWise has even a free gap video on it, and quite a bit more. This community is a really great place, though. You have opportunities to win trading money, so bonuses that you can trade with. You have opportunities to win merch and all kinds of things. So just stick around, learn. I mean, all of that is just extra bonuses. The real juice is the knowledge that we're all seeking. Yeah, and if you're not continuing to learn, then your competition is pulling it away from you. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, Lions? Let's go, Ash. How are you doing? Spot BTC buy zones in mind? Yes and no. Yeah. Not like what you would think, though. I'm not going to just have fences up. I'm not just like laddering all the way down. I'm more like kind of marking areas that I'm looking for reaction, and once we change structure, like on a daily, then I'll be a lot more I guess. See, I told you I'm retarded. I'll be a lot more interested in allocating towards spot positions. Yeah, if we change structure on the daily, start making a higher high. They can act like a magnet, yes. Then on the pullback, I'll really lock in. Yeah, because cheap doesn't always mean inexpensive doesn't always mean a good deal. Cheap doesn't always mean a good deal. Right, we all like learned that, even if it's recent. We learned that when Bitcoin lost 100. You have any zones that you're really eyeing, Ash? I think that a really important level is here. This is an extremely important level in the high time frame. It can be. It can elicit expansion once again to the downside. Crypto Guru. Yeah, so a rejection, especially without filling the entire gap. Yeah, and there's your VWAP and points of control. It shows that the people that were in control, that helped to drive price lower, maintain control, and their positions. Yeah, I just wanted to see this point of control and VWAP right here. Let's get a 2 letters, 1 word in the chat. Oh, did I say something about VWAP and point of control right here? Oh my goodness. Shoutouts CoinWise. I mean, it's too easy. Let's go, Samuel. Let's go, Curvies. Yeah, shout out to the CoinWise enjoyers. Yeah, and these are CoinWise indicators here as well. It's relative volume. This is delta and buy and sell volume. So the proportion of buying and selling in each candle. We look at 30-minute charts very frequently. It has a lot of importance for multiple ways of charting. This is open interest and it's aggregate. This is net shorts and longs. You see longs are continuing to close, shorts are kind of holding, even if a little bit. Kachoy. You may hear us use like some slang and lingo that is unfamiliar. It's just part of the community. You'll see that. I don't know what your exposure level is to different niches, but in crypto, you know, we come up with a lot of silly things. Kachoy draws on some other streamers and other traders that we have some fun with. Exclamation who juicing, there's some real entertainment over there for just some exaggerated reactions for maybe not the best decision making in trading. Does that sum that up relatively well, chat? Exclamation who juicing. Hey, and there's going to be a brand new who juicing video out. That's sheer entertainment though, Crypto Guru. Yeah, if any of you guys are new or newer and are like, well, why is Crypto Guru getting like all this attention? He just caught me in a mood this morning that like I see somebody new and I wanna just chat. So anybody is welcome to ask questions. You feel me? We're all Sato sometimes, Fred, where we've all been there. Shout out Fred. Hey, dude, I came back and saw that comment that you made. I saw that comment that you made. Did I actually say that? I came back 3 times on Tuesday and just like could not hold it together. When the dude said short or long, did I actually say that? Or you were like, my boy, we're in all 3. Did I say that or you said that? That was fucking hilarious. That was like such a dick thing to say and so funny though. I did not want to like come off like that, but it was so goddamn funny. Yeah. Yeah, short or long. Did I say short or long? Did I? Dude, I know I said, my boy, we're in shorts and longs, but I don't know if I said all 3. I just like Fred word typed it and it was so funny. My boy, we're in all 3. The guy was probably like, what are you talking about? What is the third thing? Is there like some like weird like third way that you can do this? That's Sato. Kachoy. Yeah, Kachoy is like, dude. The schlongs, exactly. You know, if anyone knows like the third type of trade that we could be in, it would be like Coke Zero or maybe a Band-Aid. Exactly, maybe Band-Aid. We aren't trying to predict the markets. We're just trying to anticipate where the market may go. And if we decide to take a trade, we do it with a logical plan and manage our risk to limit any potential losses. You always need to limit losses and, you know, ensure that you will collect profits if you are fortunate enough to see some. Let's go, Mikhail, for life. Let's go. Yeah, Mike, there's some great books in there. We were talking books last week, I think. Maybe 2 weeks ago. Yeah, there's some really great books in there. Yeah, check them out. A lot of them are mentality books, and that is a huge component of trading. What's up with BTC? Is it dead? Let's go, Robert. Roberto. I like turtles. Is it dead? I think that it's hodling. Third lick. Third trade is the one we don't take. Yeah, and that is often the best trade to take. Crypto Guru, yeah, the dashboard has links, and I think there's like discounts on the some of those resources like the books. But for a lot of the tools that we use, you know, start simple. TradingView is a great place. CoinWise really bundles up a whole lot of indicators that have a lot of time and development going into it. So when you're ready for, you know, the next step in charting, that's a great place. Without exploring the many other charting platforms and information sources. Yeah, it's a great way to kind of dive in or dip your toes in the water to the wide world. But our YouTube, !YouTube, has a number of different channels in it also. And many tools are free through that. !BTC Live, !XO, when you begin learning about order flow. Come on. Come on, Fredward. It's always somebody new. Isn't it always like we hear this stuff right around 69K? Hey, Lions. And Crypto Guru, you're seeing that reaction right here. So it traded into the gap. Price traded into the gap right here. And now it's trading back outside. Now, right now is the first 30 minutes that markets are open. And generally speaking, it's wise to not only wait for a candle close to begin to have more conviction in determining if this was maybe a fake out move, but not only waiting for this candle to close, not just begin trading back out, but waiting for the next candle to close also, and especially as markets are opening, 2 candle closes for 30-minute candles. That's called the initial balance. That is very powerful for early session biases. That doesn't even mean, so let's say that this candle closes outside, we get another candle close outside right here, something like that. That doesn't mean that it's just going to nuke to zero. But the gap itself and where it was, where the open was, these give us contextual levels to look for price reaction if it maybe trades above it, below, if it trades below and then reclaims it. There's probability and structural context that we look at, the way that price moves in different directions. Yeah, all the exchanges are without KYC, or nearly all of them. Exclamation VPN, exclamation Palau. If you know, you know. Maybe Band-Aid's my neighbor in Palau. Yeah. I got a little palapa right next to Young Soon. Let's go. Shout outs BLOFIN. Do they have another trading competition? Shout outs KCEX, BTCC. Those bonuses are juice. Hype is good. And HYPEcoin, are you talking about the exchange or the coin? The coin is juice. It's holding its lows. Did we check the Solana meltdown? Kind of. I mean, like everything's melting down, dude. You're on Hyperliquid now? Nice. Nice, you enjoying it? Man, I wish I was one of the early adopters of Hype. That airdrop was fucking juice. Yeah, shout out to anybody that juiced off of that. I got all my brekkie in front of me and not eating it. I always do that. Oh, wait. Yeah, so this is called dip the tip. It's a trade in and reject out quickly. And that's a strategy that we're potentially we're looking for. What I just did here, Crypto Guru, was I changed my chart from ETH, which you can't see at the bottom, but in the bottom right on TradingView, you can go from ETH to RTH. That takes it from only US market trading hours, like 9:30 to 4 p.m. New York time, to futures trading, which is nearly 24 hours. At least 5 days a week. Oh, Kachoya. Maybe we get a little wick down below. 68.8 was an interesting level way, way back. Y'all remember that? I know the old heads do. The little scalps are lovely, aren't they? Right off a market open. Shorts printing. Let's go cook zero. I mean, relief bounces, there's like, it's mostly just like profit taking on shorts. We really don't have that much coming in. I think next week things might start heating up a little. I need to look at the itinerary for next week. Are we getting our minutes next week? Let's go, Buzz. Shoutouts, Buzz. Shoutouts, Housty. Liquidity cluster 65, 67. Yeah. I mean, you got to remember, we traded in that range for over a year. If we don't snap back up in it, like, that is one of the longest trading ranges that we've maintained. Even though it was quite large. That's what she said. Oh, I need to go on the other one. Open it anyway. Where's the one that was clean? I know how to make it clean.
Tight, eye low, levels on go. Let's go. When the bullets hit, we don't fall. We just
so I mean, the last real bull market, we spent pretty much a year and a half before it broke down. It's pretty close to that. Pretty close. Where are we gonna go from the breakout? Yeah, but that range right here, it felt like forever. This was less than 9 months. Y'all remember this? That doesn't feel like much of a range, but it was just a big range. That's pretty interesting right here. would say like 52, 54. And I've seen a lot of people doing it. I've been doing it for like since the volume nerd out. Interesting. On the weekly. On the weekly. Where is that? Yeah, 67.5 still. I like to do my profiles on a little bit lower time frame. Oh my goodness. This is looking like not super strong, is it? Yeah, what happens when you begin to accept back inside a range? Yeah, and Kay was talking about like the VWAP from the bottom. Yeah, you can say the VWAP from the 15K bottom, you can fib it. I'm gonna do it from like the yearly open in 2023. That was really when it started breaking out. You see that anchor VWAP? Yeah, I know, Robert. Let's go Karoon. Yeah, approaching the POC of that range. Yep. $442. How long was the other one? 465. It was like pretty much the same. Yeah, you could split it into two ranges, but you would have to do the same over here. And if you split this into two ranges, then our trading up here is far longer for just this range. Goodness gracious. We got some aggression coming through, don't we? I'm gonna have to draw all that over again. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's where that 67,468 comes from. It's a high time frame point of control. Yeah, and TradingView only goes back like 300 days, and for some indicators, even if they're like super high time frame ones. Let's see, maybe 4 hour. It'll show TPO further back. If you reduce the tick size, that used to like do something for it. How about that triangle the other day? Holy shit, man. Let's go Drake. Yeah, deep into it, retest. Maybe it wicks through the point of control. Yeah, Kay was saying some interesting things. The 65 SFP. Can I even go that far back? Jeez. For like 30-minute charts, like it's not that much, it's not that interesting anymore. When we cleared this imbalance, which happened during futures, we just cleared that last night. This low's not that great through here. And then Fred was talking about this. Not great lows. Collectively, each one was pretty good. But in sequence or in combination, no bueno. And then I got news for you. That low's not super good. Neither is this 58.8. That was like a double bottom. It was like perfect. Right there and right here. And then that one was bad. So, you know, at some point in here, volume will create some sort of base for us. We want to be on the right side of the bounce. Each time that it bounced, we pull back like almost 50% now. We just need to find targets. Like volume. Prior levels. To begin to build a thesis for bullish momentum to form. If you're not already in something, like, you know, little scalps, I guarantee Coke Zero's pixel bottom long that he got, he still profited even though it's lower than where he took it. He's not holding that long. He likely shorted that point of control and VWAP and gap rejection on CME. I'm pretty sure he did. As a hedge for that long. And likely a hedge for the next long that he's going to take. That's some serious volume coming in on that little rejection right there. Oh, I believe it, Fredward. Yeah, that 93K, that 98, like that high 97s. That was just too juice. You remember how long we talked about that level? Fasten your seatbelts, get your helmets on. I wish I could put that that music on, even prime time. Dun, 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 dun. Remember that? Back in the olden days, the old lines too. You close it at 74K. Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. That's juice. That'll make you feel a little better. Hey, how come you don't have a nurse come into your house, dude? You're juicing so hard. You should have like at-home care. Monday Night Football in the house. Yeah, it was fun. Rafa. Actually, you should have a team of nurses and like hot ones. He does. He does. Low key. You're looking at that as a bottom. Yeah, 58.9 has a ring to it. That could be a base. Yeah, we got a whole trading range to move through. I mean, we're starting to like, it's kind of unnatural to be accustomed to like these $6,000 to $8,000 days, $10,000 days. You know, we've had some huge movements. Percentage wise, it's less when it's 110,000. A $6,000 move now is like almost 10%. Like in 65K, it is interesting. Arum, yeah. I know a lot of people wanted that clean. That's one of the reasons that it just ran up so hard, is because once it changed structure, like people were like, fuck, I missed it. I need to get in. It was so bullish it couldn't clean it. That was a Gucci long at 78. 1714 on ETH. 1700, 1800 is a big high time frame level. ETH starting to eat through the walls. It's pushing down to 2K. Look at that dip to tip. Are they going to go for that whole gap? Yeah, that's kind of equivalent to like the 65 area. The gap fill. Shouts to coin wise, like that's a super old gap. Oh yeah, I need to show order flow. Exclamation boo gamma. Exclamation boo gamma. 6780. Sorry for the flashbang. 6775 maybe. And remember, there is a bit of a premium on ES. 6800 down here. Most importantly, we're trading below GEX flip. You know what that means. If you don't know what that means, above GEX is bullish, below GEX is bearish. It's like the simplest way to say it. Kachoya. Let's see ETH. It was just interesting. ETH USDT. Come on. ETH USD perp. You don't have Binance on here? Oh, there it is. I was just looking for the yellow. You need help, someone to help you trade? Abusement? Oh, Sato minus 100K. He's giving it back to the market, isn't he? Oh, he's not gonna be at 57K. There we go. $19K, $12K, $11K. Yeah, it was a little different on another tool that I was using. They're pulling it, and your targets, you keep shifting your targets lower. Who was it that said there was a bunch of licks on ETH below 2K? S&P is crashing, is it? Some loans getting stopped out, just like local ones, it looks like. Shorts continue piling in. If prices go in the same direction, it's not bottom shorts. Let's go poly market. Is my heat map going to turn on? Not that it matters now. Wow, how deep did Spot go? I mean, like, does anybody remember me talking about these levels? Hey, shoutouts to KIMBA too. Shoutouts to all the people grinding in the Discord, the PSG, the Wise Lions. Hey, if you want to find your way to the Wise Lions, VIP membership on YouTube, I think is one of the routes, or the NFT. Exclamation NFT. Shout out to the Alliance of the Queen. You get a piece of art and you get juice. Access to lots of cool cool resources. Like communication with KIMBA and, you know, a little bit maybe elevated discussion in the Discord. You just got your cold wallet yesterday? Let's go, Abusement. Welcome. Let's go. Hey, you might be able to... This is just TradingView using CoinWise tools. Exclamation CoinWise, yeah, that's a whole suite of really excellent indicators that we use for order flow and many other charting needs. But they've been around for about 6 months now and really has been helping us to read the market with even more edge. Very helpful. Most of the lions that have been using CoinWise can support that claim. I'm not just here to sell stuff. I enjoy charting. I started off just like hanging out in Discord, just like everybody else. I need to turn off my delay for my mouth to the voice. Yeah, it's a Twitch thing. I'm broadcasting in through I think it's through 3. It's like 2 or 3 like separate VPNs. It's just as like that. There's no way to speed it up. Yeah, it's not just on my end. KIMBA TV, it's like a whole community, and so like we have streamers that are from all over the world, and so it has to be like a little bit like that. Yeah, ultimately that is a goal, to improve the speed a little bit, but you know, I can like keep my face down if it bothers you. And also, I'm a little bit slow anyway. I kind of ride the short bus a lot of the time, so if it just takes me a while to reach chat, then that's the reason. It's Satoshi's. Yeah, going to 0. You can help with it. Yeah, we have some really Gucci developers, but it's outside my realm of expertise. Dokong, let's go. Good morning. Ash, are you doing anything? Are you looking for some buys? Who juicing? Who juicing, Julio? Yeah. 2 letters, 1 word. The meaning of life. You dev for crypto? Nice. Join the Discord, dude. Join the Discord. Yeah, we've got an NFT. We've got a whole lot of things in development with the platform and the community. Ready to snipe this? I mean, yeah, we've been kind of planning for this for quite some time. We got some lions that are sniping the fudge out of this. It was more like sniping that rejection this morning and juicing on this short. There's a 3K short already. If you weren't already in something, that was a nice little scalp. Shout out to Coke Zero. Can you get 15-second TA? Lordy, did I not give it? Token Tickler, come on now. You see this line right here, Token Tickler? That is previous range point of control on Coinbase. We just had to dip the tip on CME. 65 is an interesting level, and 63 is an interesting level. 63 has, it's our secondary high volume node of that prior range from 2020, what is it, 2023? Or was it 2020? It was 2024. Yeah, the 52 to 70K range. 73K range. Recommendation for exchanges. Just the big spot exchanges for US. I trade on Coinbase and Kraken. And then for perpetuals, we have a whole list. TP for the short, shaving down here a little bit at this point of control. Yeah, and then 65, like right above that, probably like 65.7. Yeah, it's hard to keep going back in price action before those lows. 6 or 7. 63 off. Dude, Super Troopers is so funny. Fretword. Yeah, I guess I should mark that on here, huh? Turn a few things off so we can like actually see the chart. Yeah, it's not even showing previous single prints because it's so old. Super Trooper is classic. Yeah, I would maybe like 66 would be like a little shave target. A sweep right here, probably. Not that I like have any faith in that level. I'm more interested in like probably that one. Yeah, that. Or this. You want me to extend this box? Anybody that's long is like, please do not fucking move your box. It just has a tendency on this stream, doesn't it? Please no. Yeah, and then below there, 63 has a lot of, it's kind of an area of interest. That was a secondary volume node. But I'm looking at shorts. If any shorts are fresh here, I'm looking at them as hedges. Hedges for taking stabs at longs. NATO. Really? Yeah, but the exclamation dashboard for hot wallets abusement, we have 9 exchanges that have incredible fee negotiation with, for example, BTCC in the pin. There's deposit bonuses and fee rebates on BTCC, and then we have some giveaways coming up on there. I trade a lot on BLOFIN also, but exclamation dashboard, and you can see some of the exchanges that we have affiliation with of some sort, or ties to, I don't know, deals with. A lot of the lines are using them, and we've been using them for quite some time. We haven't added an exchange in over a year. But we might be adding one soon. Yo, Bugatti. If you know, you know. Fixed range on the 38K low. You want to see if it pops the same POC? Hey, Fredward, pull a anchor VWAP from there. That's a pretty cool one. This is like... Who just shorted that dip the tip this morning? Oh my god. How? Hey, shout out to KIMBA. Exclamation Discord. Shout out to the Wise Lions. Alright, so Fredward wants to see the 38K low. Right on. How did I do that? Because I was there. I was there. He wants to see the whole thing. Does that encompass the entire range? Is that everything? No. Yeah, it's the same. I mean, it's really just showing that. It's kind of interesting because it's like got that shelf up here. That ledge right below my box, so you get like a sweep of that bounce through here. You want me to have the box there? I could do something different there. Maybe I'll do like a line like this. I mean, a box is just like, I'm gonna do a different color. And this got like a real big drop off. You just gotta have a different color so we know that it's not like a liquidity sweep or something, that it's actually volume. You wanna go with green, and then reduce the opacity. Let's see here. We're gonna go with the fill a little bit. And then we're gonna make the line a little bit thinner. Jeez. The fill's not the right color. Reduce that opacity. That's representing volume right here. How about that? 51. We're not gonna think about all that. Where did it cross over right here? Oh, we lost it. Dude, this is like trading like they think that everything is over. Isn't it? They can't sell it fast enough. Damn, that's a lot of volume too. That was a juicy fucking initial balance, wasn't it? Holy shit. Busalo, dude. Yeah, you see them do this on initial balance and then they're gonna like bounce it the rest of the day. I don't know. That's a terrible low that they just formed. Alright, let's assess the initial balance on everything else. Did they close the gap? No. And it didn't close the gap here. Rejection. So that's a dip the tip on both. Is anybody just like freaked out Let's go Shredded Island, 42 months. Hey, thank you for the resub. Shouts to you, brother. Batman, welcome to your new little icon. What do you call those things? Let's go Hunko Jack. What's the real freak out, Hunko Jack? This is just a go-to. It's just a go-to. Hey, and the Bugamas did flip. The Gex flipped. We lost it after holding it for how long? Huge single print. Yeah, the goddamn mean levels. The 6-7, 6-7 just not doing it for us. Hey, but 6-7 is holding it, isn't it? I mean, maybe the golden pocket of maybe like the 61.8 to the 65 K range. Maybe that's our magic ticket. Let's go I-19. Dokong is buying some spots. Yeah, we didn't even look at shitcoins. Does anybody want to see shitcoins? I mean, we kind of like know that the math is the math. We need to make higher highs, and this is a dumpster fire. Truly, we are coming up on a pretty sizable Bugama down here on S&P, and could bounce once this gap fills. Yeah, I'd say like low-end targets for just the daily session should be around this area, the single prints. That's low-end targets if it just super nukes. I would say if it's super nukes like that, you're gonna get a much more aggressive bounce back. If we just have controlled selling and just kind of like chop around here, we're probably gonna go lower. That's probability, it's feeling, it is experience, it is not data. Okay, so don't be like, you just said that it was gonna go lower, you just said it was gonna bounce if it came down here super hard. I'm saying that if things get really kachoy and it nukes another 50 points, that is a pretty good area to look for a potential bounce. At least in low time frame. That's a low time frame. That's like taking some profit on your short. That's maybe taking a scalp. Closing the gap and maybe bounce it back in. That might be enough to give us like a bearish retest up to here. At least. You just have to see how the structure develops. I'm like, you know, things are not all that Gucci. Do not pile into shorts here. The short was 45 minutes ago. The short was 35 minutes ago. Be patient. Be patient. You will get another setup. Shout outs to you, Prabai. Let's go Jimmy Rectangles. Boom Bowl. Who's ready for the Super Bowl? Yeah, somebody else was asking me about the Super Bowl. I guess I'm ready. Best time frame to see? Weekly? I mean, when it's this far back, I like daily a lot. For just like interday, 30-minute time frame is my go-to. For higher time frame, 4-hour daily and weekly. Yeah, I'll do some charting on the monthly. When our prior range was so far in the past, you kind of have to do a little bit more weekly. to compare like current price action with the previous. But I like daily. I just want more candles. I want more structure. I want more of like the detail of the oscillations. Yeah. Yeah, New England and Seattle again. Well, it's different players. It's now hit -50. Yeah, we were looking at that. It was like 46% before, like, or when market opened. It's pretty dang close. Who juicing? Yeah, we called out. We identified a really, you know, albeit risky play, but for the low time frame traders, it was a juicy play this morning. That was a juicy play. Let's say that you took it after price started trading outside. You had the invalidation of the high. You took right at the edge of the gap. You even say there. I mean, that's a $3,000 trade, even if you're like kind of like shaving it now. 4% on 10x leverage. Who's traded 10x? You mean on 100x? Let's go 83rd. That's a good little days of work. Some people are gonna go fuck off for the rest of the day. Set some alerts. Oh my goodness, Kachoya on Sol. Yeah, ETH finally broke that 2K. They did it. It closed below that low, which was a high time frame liquidity sweep. I guess maybe the 4 hour if we close above the point of control. I sound like I have a lot of faith in it, don't I? Excuse me. XRP down 15%. Kachoya. I mean, if Bitcoin can't hold, everything was kind of holding on until ETH like broke its low. 2K has always been a very important level. 1900 is an interesting level. How did I get a clean chart on this? Did I clear out all my TA? It's just been so long on this layout. Yeah, it's terrible. The 2100 was an important level. Hey, shout out to CoinWise. They just came out with a sick new video this morning. And they did something like this in it. Something like that.
My alerts are set. Snipe attention on a drop. Quick gains, no sweat. Analyzing charts, I say that I love this.
But down here,
the market's global, trades running every day. No reset. Somebody tell the skeptics that we're mastering that. In my zone, focus mind, see the stats react. Profit stack when we're on the attack. Bears plotting,
I guess up until the reclaim.
Keeping capital intact, post analysis after we've won. Can't slip, won't reveal how it's done. I don't know about you, but I value my grind. Imagine stopping.
That was almost a range rotation for that.
Trades we haven't defined. Hitting targets others haven't met. Don't party, but success is there. I set my mind. Gotta sit back sometimes and wonder how life would have been if I never took my time. Would I have prospered?
Here for the buyback.
And I won't go under. Been out of town for a month. Absence
bad lows. And this is bad. That's that 1360 level or 1380 level that I was talking about. They got front run everywhere. Yeah, they held it. This is kind of interesting, that 1720 to 1740 for this little area. Maybe in lower time frame, and you know, it is still 24 hours, so it's a good week and a half. But maybe you get something like around here without a liquidity grab. That's right at your 1800. 1800 to 1850. If it doesn't just flat out bounce, but this is a pretty big inefficiency here.
Support and resistance, trend lines defined. Executing trades with precision and grace.
Yeah, does anybody want to see Soul? Oh, Niamas. Don't click that one. Shoutouts, Buzz. Thank you, Buzz. I'm sitting here like locked in on the chart. On Binance too. 66, 666. That's a meme level. Like, we're saying 6-7. Yeah, bad lows everywhere. EBTC finally breaking down a little bit. Solanal. Wait, did I have that 84.26 level in there? When did I put that there? When's that from? I did it for something. Maybe it was like some lows down there or something that you're not seeing in the daily. Well, we're all going to learn from this one. Yeah, we've done this. We charted this one before. 73 is kind of interesting. But its home might be 58. Its home might be 47. Like a sweep of that 51. 50 bucks if it makes it all the way down there. It's a good psychological number. You saw how it reacted around 100. And God forbid it loses 50. God forbid it loses 50. How long did it spend down there? KIMBA gang in the room, yeah, that's my clique. I'm precise, but I'm coming with that old school. Quarter flips, pullbacks, that's my go-to. I don't chase pumps, I do what I want to. You ain't been late, bro, that's gon' haunt you. Better pause when I talk, don't fumble that edge. You scalping wild, I'm posted at the ledge. I ain't trying to brag, I'm trying to get my bank on. With my setup, my bias and my rank on. Insane.
I'ma watch it through the range till it's time to strike. Then I'm posting in the chat like this one's right. You want to call that the liquidation, and that's like the real volume returning? Okay. Does that make you feel a little better? So getting the same values pretty much, just not as much lows. I am not calling for these numbers, by the way. We are just like beginning to formulate plans if you haven't already. I was there for all that. I still remember these levels. How's market cap looking? It's looking like about like my local Walmart market cap is probably higher. Total. I like totals. Oof. All the trader really need is a little bit, not a lot, just risk right a little bit. We can flip that bag in a little bit. I'ma show you how we win in a little bit. Move that stop just tight by a little bit. Run it up, take profit. Hey, it's sweeping. That's a 74K low. That's from April. Wow. And it's way lower right now. So Alter's holding a little bit more strength. Wow, we've lost $2 trillion in the past couple months. Shout outs to the future of finance. I'm about to buy some strategy stock
just so I can get on that call. God, Choya, that thing looks like a piece of shit. This thing looks like a ski slope. Oh. $100. Maybe this holds. Nope. I mean, it's all psychological numbers. Don't be mad at me if you're like trying to see the real stuff. Hey, shouts Gypsy. I'll have to check that out. Hey, big cheers, Gypsy. Satanism going on the MEXC order book? What do you mean? What am I to tell Sailor? I'm gonna be like, dude, you told me to double mortgage my house. You told me this was the future of finance, that I should take a second mortgage. My Airbnb arbitrage is not really working out for us today. Forever, dude. I don't know, man. Look at this clusterfuck. Love you, Fredward. I'm not even like really trying, dude. You're just like fucking around. The Sailor is like really sweating right now, I think. He's not. He's not. I'm sure that they have hedges. But he is a little bit underwater right now as far as his spot positions. Relax. Yeah. Yep, just give it time. Just give it time. We're not in this for the daily fluctuations. It's just noise. It's just noise. You know, in the future, I'll have all the Bitcoin and it'll be the future of finance. Yeah, Hype was looking pretty good. Dot was not. Not like really that great because it's dangerous to begin losing this, but we're in the range point of control. Above it, it appears. Oh. Let's just be very careful with that. Oh no. Yeah, maybe 30, and 30 has always been important. And then you get a higher low. That's enough for a bounce. You just need to break the structure. It's like, I mean, when you have these concrete shoes around your ankles and you're chained to big bro and he jumps off a bridge, You can only swim but so fast. And by concrete shoes, I mean heavy selling on Bitcoin, being big bro. Hey, at least I'm finally getting filled on Sui. Gotcha! You did not want to be like laddering all the way down. I just said fuck it. I put like tiny limits all the way down to 0. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's tiny. It used to be strong. It'll have its day. It's going back to 40 cents. 74 probably. It's going back to -2. God, that is so ugly. That's like, it's going parabolic in the wrong direction. Hey, does anybody else have a altcoin that you want me to just trash talk? I'm here all night. I'm actually about to wrap up pretty soon. I love you guys. Yeah, somebody was saying that the devs were sketchy there. Aster? You mean disaster? Oh, but Toshi is ass. Caspa, oh man, Zill. Mix? Oh man, which one's worse, Mix or Aster? I don't want to choose. Sailor saving us? Did he tweet something? Okay, Aster. Hey, we juiced on Aster before. I mean, it's actually doing better than you would think. All-time lows! It's doing better than you'd think. Fuck. Yeah, you got the close below, like, I don't know. What's price is worthless. It at some point will have value. I'm not trading that. Maybe if it bounces and Bitcoin bounces and rejects, that like maybe a short. Maybe you can do like tiny. But dude, where, like, what gives you faith in it? You want to look at like historical stuff? I can't even, like, I don't even know where it's traded. So MEXC. All right. That's actually a lot better structure than I would think. What the fuck? That was so long ago. That was all the way back in October that we were charting that? It feels like so much more recent. God, time flies. We had a good year this, Lions. Epstein files, absolutely. Satoshi was in it. Yeah, that's what everybody was saying, that that he was Satoshi. Dude, there's some fucked up stuff in there. I heard like all these rumors for years about like some of the crazy shit. It's even worse than you would think. And like so much is still redacted. Golly, man. This world is fucked. Hey, be good people. Be good people. I know that our Lions are, by and large, one of the best group of people that I had the privilege of getting to know, to work with. Shout outs to our entire team. Shout outs to our Discord and all of you sitting here grinding with me, shit talking MEXC. It's actually like not bad right here. Like, look at that structure. This is like ugly as hell. But it's holding that trend. pretty well. And bad high, bad high. Crazy that Bitcoin's not pulling this one down. What does MEXC do? What is it even called? Like, what's mixed coin? I forget. Alright, let's get it back over to something real. Let's get it back to something real. I don't have all my gold TA on this chart. Did it go right to that pixel level? Let me get my chart back up. Pretty juicy on that little 66.7. 6.7. Can't even clean the inefficiency here. Ugly. S&P still going for that count. All right, gold. Where did I chart it? Probably on that one. At least it was on this template. No, it wasn't on here. Why did I do that? Where did I chart it? Yeah, because we were like this level right here. Kind of like a bullish retest. And you probably want to hold this like that low right there. And then that's, that was pretty clean. Look at the hourly. Shout out to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise for all these Gucci tools. Had a sick video come out today. Market structure, something that I talk about a lot. Gucci tools. They have journaling, education. MEXC, I think it is an exchange. That's like where you're seeing like kind of the only strength is with the exchange tokens. They have incentives to hold a little bit more, to accumulate hype. Aster is like an exchange too, isn't it? A DEX. No, no, Fredward. You got orders? Yeah, maybe the gap on gold before higher. I don't see it going like to zero or anything. If anything, just holding this range and establishing something way up here. Maybe it'll chop between like 4,500 and 5K for a while to actually establish value. Let's see silver. Yeah, we'll finish things up. I know we put some levels on silver. Let's do daily. Silver's looking worse than gold. Yeah, maybe look clean these lows. Yeah, unemployment, they're like, maybe these rate cuts aren't coming that quick. I don't know. We're trading the charts. trading the charts.
Let the baseline scream.
Any last minute questions, Lions? Do you guys feel better or worse? Were you at least entertained? Are you not entertained? I was really thinking that I wasn't going to be able to hold out for the entire time today. But we just got our 4-hour close, like, it's 67,000. Where did it close? It closed below that point group, right at it though. That's pretty juicy. And that was the high time frame sweep level. I mean, y'all, yeah, 59,420 is pretty interesting. I think it was value area low for the range. 70K 200 is value area high for the previous range, somewhere around that. Adjust it. 70K. I don't know why that one is where it is. I think that's like all the bull market or something. 69.2. The bull market starting in 2023. It's not about right or wrong. The 65K box, there's lows there that are bad. It's a series of higher lows that are pretty close to one another, Pavel. I'm here all night, yeah. Dude, I'm gonna say my goodbyes all night like usual. Yeah, the white box is for a series of bad lows. I probably should make that, wait. I should make that 1 point. It is 1 point. It's just very bright. And then the green box is the next high volume node. Yeah. This spot. Yeah, red is the point of control for the entire 50 to 70K range. You know, that 2024 range or whatever. This is the secondary high volume node. It's kind of a liquidity void between the two, even though it was a big pivot area. But these lows, it's a series of bad lows. Yeah, I think give it time. You know, take low time frame trades. Make sure you don't go all in until you start seeing a change of structure. I don't ever go all in, honestly. Autonomy. I don't even know how to spell that, dude. All right, this is just for fun because we've been like looking at all of these like, and shout outs to MEXC, exclamation MEXC. I mean, the structure is like pretty good. What is it? Oh my God. I genuinely want to know what I think. I will touch this with your dick. I'm just kidding. Sorry for the crudeness. I won't trade it with your money. Mostly because I just don't know anything about it. And I don't like altcoins very much when Bitcoin is showing weakness. Curvies. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. That was pretty crude. I don't like altcoins when Bitcoin's showing weakness. But if you know something about it that I don't, like if you just go purely on structure or some other edge that you have, you know, it's looking like it's reclaiming ranges. It's trying to reclaim in this range up here. Yeah, don't let it fall out of there. So if you're thinking that like we're looking good, things are looking juicy. Let's see where I started to break down from there. It's almost like a pixel rejection of value area high from over there, or value area low from over there. You see that? Is it hard to see? That's like really, really close. I was looking purely over there when I drew that. So maybe you get a pullback down to here. And that's like 20%. I don't know. You believe in the project? Yeah, I'm just going on structure. You exited because of the market dump? Yeah, I mean, hold yourself a moon bag, I guess. And then, you know, just use Confluence the way that we kind of advocate on stream. Yeah, I bet there's some other people trading it in the Discord. Check out the Altcoin Talk, exclamation Discord. Yeah, I mean, I'm shitting on everything just because Bitcoin's price action is so bad, but like, if something has a valid reason for it to be an instrument that people want to trade, then like, I don't love anything except for my family. You know what I mean? Like, I love the Lions, I love my family, I love life. I'm not in love with any project. I like to make money. These are instruments to make money. So don't marry anything except for the love of your life. Busalo. Cachoya! Busalo. I know, dude. I like transition from some life advice to like some not advice. Oh, disaster. Yeah, let's go, Pepper. We were looking at that. That one wasn't looking too hot, but Mix was. AVAX, Dolkong. Yeah, I haven't even pulled that one up. I was a AVAX whale back in the day. Not really, but I liked AVAX. I'm gonna turn the outro music on. AVAX. Oh, look at Coinbase. I mean, I saw it coming. That $8.
Started the day with a plan in my mind.
Oh my
Marked up my
God.
charts, saw the stars align.
That's a lot worse than I thought.
Watched it run up high. I knew today.
Yeah, but what are we using an AVAX for now?
There were moments I had my doubts. Stops got
These lows
hit,
are
had to ride
toast.
it out. But through the losses,
They're
through
toast.
the gains, every move just
pretty
made
sad.
me change. How do I say
AVAX was pretty cool back in the day. You remember Soluna AVAX?
so right? Watch the
Solunavax?
candles rise. Saw the
It was pretty fun on that side of it.
played my hand. It was all divine.
Yeah, and we had talked about that. Losing it was pretty kachoy. And then losing that was the big kachoy, the $20.
Every pullback, every small mistake
Yeah, maybe we get a sweep.
taught me lessons that I had to
So
take.
Bitcoin like forms a bottom. Maybe you get like a div with a sweep
And I know I'll be
and tuck back in
someday.
somewhere around here.
Moments I had my doubts. Stops got hit,
Maybe it just goes to all-time lows.
through the losses, through the gains. Every move just
Should we
made me
even
change.
like reverse pivot?
Say goodbye when it feels so right. Watch the
This is just for fun.
saw the levels shine.
Jesus Christ.
Took my trades,
had to put that stupid box there. Alright, well, it doesn't even matter. 410 for your 618. How do you like that? It's the, right at the 1.382. Your 2 extension is minus $3. I didn't do it right, but it's fine. It gives you something to laugh at. Yeah, maybe $5 if it loses and trades below, just for a psychological number. It's looking bad. It's looking bad. Let's see our TradFi one last time before we get out of here. That was Juice this morning. Thank you, Lions. Angel of Death, let's go. Thank you for joining me today. Good times. Maybe less good times if we were bullish, but you know, what are we gonna do? You never liked AVAX, Fredward? I mean, it was pretty high back in the day. You did, King of Cat? King Cossack? How are you doing? Today's stream, it was fun. I mean, like, we got to make the best of it. We did make the best of the TA. Shout out to Coke Zero. Shout out to Biffum, Calling Noob. Shout out to maybe Bandit. I hope you feel better, brother. Shout outs to PSG. Shout outs to all you Lions. All the OGs. Hey, shout outs to KIMBA. Exclamation Discord, exclamation Wise Lions. It's actually not an exclamation at all, but the Wise Lions be popping off. Yeah, people are grinding in there. Turn this song up. You don't need to hear me. See, you're gonna be the reason my sound's messed up next time. Is that loud enough? Let's go, Rafa. Vladimir. Santers. Santa. Fredward. Hey, Fred, we had a lot of fun. Big cheers. Shouts to the whole team. Yeah, Kimba has been dropping some juice in the Discord. And when he returns, you know it's going to be a lot of fun too. We got a talent show coming up later today. Exclamation talent show. Exclamation dashboard. I think it's just a viewing party today, but get your submissions in on that exclamation talent show in the Discord, and you have a chance to win like good money. I think it's like $250. Check out BTCC. Juicy bonuses. Depot bonus. Trade rebates. Like fee rebates, and big giveaways all to come. Yeah, Busalo. Yeah. Coming up on 4 years. Yeah. I mean, historically, is February that great of a month? Look that one up. That's your homework this weekend. Let's go, Riraru. I know PSG been nerding out on it. Hey, Super Bowl. I remember Super Bowl 2022. Bitcoin, like, was losing 38K. It, like, nuked all the way to, like, 35 or 34 and change. It was, like, the whole Russia thing. Hey, put your helmets on if you're a warrior, if you've been here, done that. It did, but it bounced to like 39 or something before. I think it bounced all the way back up to like 42. I don't know. Nerd out's over. Yeah, but 16K. Ouch. 60s. All right, last song. I'm doing my sign out. I love y'all. Yeah, it's just so much fun things to talk about. We had a great time. Hey, Samuel, you the GOAT. Love you, buddy. Let's go, King Kochak. Angel of Death, shouts to you for the resub. Thank you, brother. That's such a juice name. Let's go, Mark. Calling noob Fredward. Yeah, they just never could do something with AVAX, could they, Fredward? They tried to do like NFTs with it, but then they realized that like the only NFTs that are worth anything are Lines of Lithuania. I don't know, man, but ETH is kind of holding for right now. There's like a lot of interest in this range. It seems like the trading volume is up on there. You check on CoinGlass for trading volume. It's a really juicy way. And look, we're bouncing right off of that 4 hour. 75% of the gap on both ES and CME Bitcoin. Yeah, when they started trying to do NFTs on it, it's just like, man, y'all couldn't do something original. The only thing that they missed on was like trying to do and not being able to do was like Metaverse. Did they ever try to do that one too? You remember Shiba Inu tried to do like a Metaverse thing? Shout out to Busalo, MJ, Doobie, Curvies. Yeah. Yeah, that $80 ETH. The Meta Mafioso NFT. Right. Let's go, Petrus, Santers, Fredward. Love you, buddy. Shout out to PSG, shout out to Cook Zero. Hey, thank you again for the gift subs. Shout out to Biff on Colin Noob, Cage, Husty, Dev Team, Gypsy, Buzz. Shout out to Buzz. Cyber, Chauncey, MGK, Tiki, Coin Nerd. Big love to Kimba. Big love to all of you Lions. Shout outs to Bytesword. CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise, exclamation dashboard, exclamation BTCC. Let's get some giveaways. MEXC BTC. That's the Satan thing that you guys were talking about. It went to 66, 66. Juice. I gotta see this with my own eyes. I keep doing this and it keeps looking like so bad. 66,555 here and in Coinbase, and the Coinbase premium is a negative premium. So you know what that means. Coinbase is selling.
Hope you've had a great day.
All right.
With KIMBA gang,
Busalo. Shout out to YouTube. Dolcom. Much love, brother. Pepper Jacks. That's a cool name. Shout outs to Kimba AI. Shout out Stream Elements. Shout out to Michael for life. Roberta Ricane. Julio. Much love, Dokkan. Much love, J-Bucks. Much Jedi's Kirk. Big cheers. DeLeon. Calling Noob Santers. Sophia. MJ. Xenon. Nitrogen. Hey, y'all have a great rest of the day. Stay safe. Trade your plan. Don't go all in. It's unlikely we will form the market bottom on a Thursday. It's unlikely. Trade your plan. we came up with some interesting ideas to formulate plans around. If you had none of your own plans, use that as a foundation to develop your own plans. You have time. You have time. Yep, see y'all at the talent show later. RXD. Crypto Craze. Hey, Crypto Guru, welcome. Hope you're still here. Hope to see you back. Hitman Gucci. Yeah. Shoutouts Hitman Gucci. Shoutouts Fredward. You know, Fredward, dude, we had so much fun today. And shoutouts to maybe Band-Aid too. I hope you feel better, dude. That sounds brutal. He's sitting there like Scrooge McDuck, and that's helping them to feel better. You can't hear me? Well, I apologize for that. Somebody requested the music to be up for the outro. So we'll catch you later, brother. Hope you can join this afternoon. And yeah, we'll see you on the flip side. I'll be on again on Tuesday, maybe beforehand. Yeah, might be some surprise streams in the works. Keep an eye on the exclamation Discord and the exclamation dashboard. And there's a talent show coming up later today. Hey, shout outs to all of you. There's a Who Juice in premiere tomorrow. Mr. Mooncakes. Hey, shout outs Coco. Thank you to for joining the chat. Like, stick around. Hope to see you here again. Patroost, Burgix, PSG, Xenon, Curvies, Santers, Maddie, Mark, Mooncake. Alright, love y'all. I'm out of here. Peace! If you don't use a stop loss, that'll go slap the shit at ya. I'm getting pretty fast with that. Let's go. Let's go, Doobie. Token Tickler. Yo! Bugatti's gonna be testnet. Be testnet. Alright, love ya. Peace!
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.